Hey guys, welcome to the PassFab channel. Today, I will show you how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported device. When installing Windows 11, it checks if your CPU is an 8th generation or newer Intel processor and asks the computer to have TPM 2.0 enabled. Installing Windows 11 on an older computer will report that the computer does not meet the requirements. But that doesn't mean older computer can't install Windows 11. Even Microsoft has released a solution to bypass Windows 11 CPU checks. Of course, these methods are all at your own risk. If you have an older computer and don't mind these risks, you can always upgrade it to Windows 11. Next, I will use the faster method. Install Windows 11 using PassFab for ISO. Click the link in the instructions below to get the software. Launch PassFab for ISO. Click on the bottom right option to download Windows 11. Choose Windows 11 and click Download. Read the prompts and click OK. Wait for the Windows 11 download to complete. Click Back. Click the mount icon under Operate. Wait for the mount to complete. Choose Setup exe. Launch Setup exe. Now you can successfully install Windows 11. That's all for today. Click the link in the description and try the PassFab for ISO. If you think this video is helpful, please give me a big thumbs up. See you next video.